up, guys? Off work again and going back to the junkyard. I need to get those brackets. That's one thing I forgot. I should have grabbed them while I was there, but my back was hurting, so I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm gonna go head over there right now, grab those brackets, or see how they're even mounted. I might actually have to like cut them off, so I won't know until I get there. But at least I can show you guys the car that I got it from. So, see you there. Alright, so this is the XB where I got the dome cover from. If anyone's looking for halos, I got them. Yeah, the HID is probably in there too. But yeah, let me show you guys the inside. Oh man, it's hot. But see, I left the, I didn't need it because I already had it. Let me get inside. Oh, but yeah, the, see, it goes in there. This is a Toyota that comes on the XAs as well, and XBs. Usually they're right here, but I don't need it, so I took it off. And I had that one guy saying like, oh, that's an aftermarket from another car, blah, blah, blah. And I gave him the picture, and he's like, I'll even pull up the VIN number and look into it and yada, yada. I was like, wow, that really serious about it. So, as you can see, they have the brackets that are in here. They go all the way across. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to drop this whole thing or cut it out. It's already damaged, so I'll cut it out and then pry it off with my crowbar and get my brackets, and then I'm just going to basically do the exact same thing how they install it here. I'll do the same on my XP. So I gotta start working on these brackets. Alright, so it is just adhesive that goes here, like a bond, and then I'm gonna have to bend these out. I'm gonna have to break these. I need this whole metal brackets, and I'll just mimic it onto my XP. So I'm gonna get the crowbar and pop that out, both sides. Well, I feel like an idiot because I don't need this. I need this. Fuck. I mean, this is what, there's nothing that I clip it onto. It has to be screwed onto, which would be that. Fucking dumbass. But I need this piece right here. I wish I can just cut it and then bond it to the ceiling like this stuff is. Let me get this fucking thing. God dang it. Alright. So I got this. I think I'm just going to keep this. This one I'm going to have to make because I don't have nothing to cut through this. And the pry bar is not letting me break through to break it off, snap it out. I'll give it a couple more tries, but then I think that's it because this will work. But damn, it sucks. I'm home, back in the garage. Just kind of going through all my stuff. Pick and pull fine for the day. The last of the Porsche pedals with the shifter. I picked up the HID headlights from the Scion XB version 2 or generation 2. And they're brand new fucking LEDs, dude. I guess Sylvana. That's what's up. And the best come up part, I started cleaning it. 300ZX Turbo hood scoop. Dude, these are not cheap. Online, my dog hella wants to play fetch. Online, these are like $150 to $200 on eBay, used. And I'm like, what? I have two of these. I have another one somewhere in storage with my other car stuff. So I'm like, I'm gonna clean this one up, sand it, primer it, paint it black, back to black, and I'm gonna sell this one too. I'll sell it for like, shoot, 140. And I'm like, hella tight. And then I just ran these, thought it would fit in my headlight housing. So people that I know I got a lot of new subscribers. This is my LS460 VIP, 21 Leon Hydrants. I am selling this for 10K. You got the whole VIP dash cover, tables, of course, curtains, tables. Selling this so I can fix the Integra for my son that's not here right now. It's at his grandma's, and fix this because this one has gasket issue. So overheating. So I got to do the head gasket. I got to do the fuel pump, full tune up, so and so everything on this one, and get it back to running good. This is my Scion XB that I purchased from my best friend's mom. My best friend passed away. So this is his car that I have in, like, to remember him. So this is the car I'm gonna try to VIP the hell out, like this one, and do what's it called, just go all out VIP on it. Garrison, of course. But yeah, I ran these headlight bulbs. I guess I got the halos too. But I'm gonna change these out. I want chrome headlights, but I can't. They don't fit. I can't lock them in. So, but they're bright as shit. And that was hella nice. So this one right here, if you guys don't know, this is the Walt kit. And what a lot of people don't know, they'll be messaging me, and I'm like, it has. Oh no, sorry, my back hurts. I need to sit. Has the Walt kit. Just the kit alone is $3,500 for the 4 lip kit. Not the fenders yet. The fenders are $3,500, and the wing is like, I think it's decent. I think it's like maybe $600, $500, and that's not painted yet. So a lot of people, I do warn people about this car because the tires, just alone tires, not mounted or balanced, are $550 each. So that is $2,200 that I paid for just tires, not mounted yet. The wheels alone on here are $4,500. So 4, 5, 6, dude, we're looking at, $7,000 wheel setup. So, and I had the walled grilled also for this, the newer model emblem. Like this was my dream car, but because my situation with the XB, I got to take it serious and focus on this, and go hard and win for my buddy and get that trophy and give it to his mom. So that's why I'm more all about into the Scion XB. Plus I love the community. You guys are fucking amazing. You guys are like the most coolest people that I've ever met. Humble as shit. Not like douchebag like the fucking 240 S13 people, where everyone thinks like my shit don't stink. And I get like, they'll just mean mug me when they see my 240 and I pop the hood and the RBs in there, and they're like, oh, that's nice. And then they just go back to their single cam. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, so like I said, I could be a fucking asshole, but I'm trying to be a nice, humble guy, and doing YouTube does help. So, and plus, no one does VIP where I'm from on XBs. They always do like some crazy ass shit where they do everything and anything. I want to just focus straight VIP. Nobody does a VIP LS460 where I'm from either. Nobody drives an all-wheel drive Q50 where I'm from either. So, like, we doing it. Oh yeah, and I got a Spoon Sport scooter and a Honda Ruckus that I still need to get registered and done. But yeah, this one here, I already sold this to my buddy. Actually traded him for 3 rare XB parts, which I want to tell you guys, but I can't because until I get it. And they're like super dope. Like, it'll like literally complete more and more of this car. So, and those wheels, those are Tehis, not TE. They look real, but they're not. But we're putting on the Diablo Blitz wheels. So this will be my 18 by 7.5, I think these are. These will be my VIP wheels. I can't find the center caps because these are discontinued. They don't make these wheels no more. They only make them in 20s and up. So the 18 and 19 are discontinued. They do not make it. But I'm missing the center cap and the piece that mounts here and the hardware that bolts onto these spots, because there's another sleeve that goes here, which is the picture right here. And I wish I had it because they look dope. These are my work wheels that we'll be putting on the Integra on brand new tires, so it'll be perfect for him. And then I have my drift wheels, JDM 3-piece that I drift in. So I gotta get tires for these so I can slide. But yeah, I haven't been doing anything because money. I'm trying to flip and make money. So that's why I'm working on flipping, buying parts of the junkyard again, selling them, use that money towards getting my shirt company going, buying parts for the car. Like I said, I'm buying all the cheap shit for now, or trade all my rare shit for good stuff. So like I said, I got RX-7 calipers. All these parts are for the scooter. I got hella parts. Even in the backyard, still hella parts. So he's getting everything. And this basket has nothing but B series, GSR, Type R shit in there. I gotta go through that. But yeah, I got a bunch of stuff that I'm going through. All these parts. I still gotta do the oil catch can. Where did I do that bracket for this? Shit. Oh, that's not it. Oh, yeah, it's over here. And then I got a reservoir that I picked up too for the coolant. Like I said, trying to get everything situated also too with this, because we're gonna road trip to Seattle. So I want to make sure I get all the parts and cool stuff. So when I do pick up my daughter, she's gonna be able to chill. But yeah, so I'm gonna just call it a day, guys. I'm gonna just keep cleaning parts and edit this video, and I'll upload it tomorrow at work in my truck while I'm waiting to get loaded. But yeah, so good day, good come up. I got lucky because they just dropped that 300ZX, so that was really a good come up. But yeah, let me go ahead and start cleaning things, posting things, trying to make some money on the side so we can get things going. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I have an idea how I'm gonna do the hood or this piece. So I have an idea how I'm gonna do it, but I gotta drop the whole headliner, do all my measurements. I gotta get the correct bonding, patching, whatever it is, glue or whatever to hold it. But I do want to do the sound deadening in the roof. I want to cover all of it and then, or mount it, get the correct mounting, and then do the whole sound deadening on the roof. But yep, so that's like kind of doing little piece by piece here and there. That is my daily. I don't put miles on the Lexus because that was the date night car for the weekends. I don't want to drive it. And plus, if you watch my other videos, I got a lot of hate at work for it. People will scratch my shit, throw fucking dumbass shit where it cost me like 600 and something to detail the whole fucking car and bring it back to paint, because they would disrespect my car. So whoever was doing that, fuck you. But yeah, so go ahead and call it a day. I'm going to start cleaning, detailing, and then have dinner, shower, get up, because I got to go to Union City and then Oakland tomorrow. So I'm gonna make my deliveries. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry if the video is long, but I just want to let you guys know what's going on. So keep you guys updated, and we'll get this XP dope as shit, man. So we gotta win that trophy for Danny. So all right, y'all. See you in the next video. Peace.